welcome to our Amplified Life and happy Friday. We're so excited that you're with us. Today, we wanted to share with you all about the magic of accessories. And I know Amy's got some super fun things up her sleeve for you. I'm going to take an outfit and style it 3 different ways with different accessories and moving them in and out, but I'm going to stay in the same base layer all the way through. So here, let me back up before I turn it over to Amy and I'll show you my base outfit. Okay, so here I am, jeans and a t-shirt and bare feet. You can probably see those, but how many of you run around life in jeans and a t-shirt? So when I come back, I'll show you how to spiff this up. Amy, what do you have for us?
Well, during the spring and summer months, it's hot. So we may think of accessories a little bit different than we do in the fall and winter. In the fall and winter, we use them to bundle, to warm up. I like to think of accessories as a splash of color or little pop of fun with, as Rebecca said, a base outfit. So you'll notice I am wearing our amazing new getaway top. The joggers completely sold out, and I believe this top is selling out as well. And just a simple pair of shorts. So what an accessory does is it turns your little white t-shirt into something really fun. So you'll notice I've got our adventure necklace that's all stacked already, our adventure hoops, and I put our amazing baseline scarf on in my hair. This just pulls a little bit of color down the white. And then to dress it up, I added some vintage cabbie espadrille wedges. So accessories really can take that white denim up a whole nother notch and add some fun to it. The only thing I would need to do now to go out with my girls is either grab a fun colored bag, or if you're going to be walking a ways, I like to take snake print, but you'll notice this is very white and lightweight. So this is more of a spring sling bag in my mind. And then of course, you're gonna need some sunnies. So all you have to do is pop this outfit with a few fun light accessories and you are good to go. Rebecca, I cannot wait to see how you're gonna dress up that trooper tee.
All right, well, I'm back, and as you can see, I've completely switched things up. So I've added a great little straw hat, which is oh so fun for summer, kind of keeps the sun off. Amy just had that fantastic pair of sunnies, and a straw hat is another way to kind of protect your face and shield your eyes. And I've added our turnabout cardigan, which is a fantastic long line, thin gauge sweater material over the top of our trooper tee, which may be the most underrated t-shirt we have this season. It is so beyond a t-shirt, just a nice, easy silhouette, perfect neutral, and spoiler alert, this is going to pair beautifully with everything that's coming our way for fall. So gals, get this in your closet now. And then I've taken our baseline scarf, which is in that easy to be styled fabrication. Amy had it in her hair. You can put it on your bag. You can wear it as a belt like I have here. We've shown you numerous times how to style those belts. And then this has got a bright pop of yellow through the scarf. So I thought it would be fun to give a bright pop of yellow with the pump. So you can see how this ordinary jeans and t-shirt has been elevated. Now, the other thing I want you to know is we have our best ever jewelry line this season. And I've got our Mission earrings on with the Mission necklace. No, yeah, this is the Mission necklace, the long one. So this is a fantastic chain with a few little kind of like coin type things on it. It's really, really versatile. This is the Wisdom earrings, and then this double chain with the pearl and the gold chain, the shorter gold chain, is our Wisdom necklace. And they have these fantastic closures here that you can totally show if you want, and they're very easy. There's no kind of trying to figure out how to get your necklace closed because it's a nice chunky closure. Absolutely fantastic. One of my favorites that we've ever done. Amy, what do you have for us?
Okay, I am back with the same base outfit, and I'm just taking things down a notch, making them a little more casual, but nonetheless, I should say, still so much fun. So let me get in close, and you can see I switched to our simple, love this swagger necklace with this cool little carabiner and the swagger earrings. And these have been selling like crazy. They're not as heavy as they look, but they are so much fun. Now, I love a waist-defining moment without always drawing too much attention. So I put on a simple white elastic, so it's nice and comfortable, belt over top of this really cool getaway blouse. And then I have on the best windbreaker ever in our race windbreaker. So this is just a casual outfit. Then I don't want to be all yellow, or excuse me, all white. So I added my cute little yellow sneaks and just a fun little airy white wicker bag, because I just think it pulls in the idea of the windbreaker and the casual day. Maybe I'm out shopping, and if you really were a tourist, you could then have your great big sunny hat if you wanted to stay out of the sun. But that is not my goal today. I just want you to know you can pull so many of these fun things together and simply change from going from a dressed up look to a little more casual look. And if you got lucky and got that bright yellow buttercup off the shoulder sweater before it sold out, that's Rebecca's favorite, you could have easily tied this over the shoulders or around the waist to pull in the white shoes. But I did not get so lucky and get it before it sold out in my size. So I don't have it here, but love that you can still take a pair of shorts and totally dress them down or dress them up depending on your shoes and what pieces you put with it. Rebecca, what's next?
Take a casual, very casual outfit and kind of keep it casual, but just a little bit more put together. So I added our go-to blouse, which is our Heart of Cabby piece this season. You need to have this in your wardrobe. It is such a beautiful, easy silhouette. It's got 3/4 sleeves, very, very flattering on the body. And again, it's going to go right on into fall with these nice warm colors that it has. So I added that over the top of just the Trooper tee and the Fifth Avenue jeans. I kept the Mission necklace on because I like the added V here and just a little bit extra length. I added a fun pop color of Coral Pump, but I wanted to give you another shoe option if you're not feeling pumps on your kind of casual day. We have a great little mule booty that hopefully you can see. Super, super easy on the feet and the back type mule that adds just a little bit of shimmer and pizzazz. In fact, I'm going to take it off and bring it a little bit closer to you so you can see. When you're shopping for things, don't always look for your basics. Make sure you have your basics covered, but when you do, you can go beyond that. So this is a neutral booty mule, but it's got just that nice shimmer to it. Let me see if that will actually, maybe it will, maybe it won't. It's kind of a snakeskin, metallic ivory and bronze booty. I'll take a picture of it and post it to my Instagram so you guys can see what that looks like. But just kind of look for some fun accessories that are going to add a punch to your outfit and also show a little bit more about your personal style. Now you'll see I've taken our scarf off that I had as a belt and I've put our plait belt on. This is a fantastic basic belt. It's brown leather. It is absolutely stunning. See that the camera is picking that up nicely. It also does not have holes. And so this is a belt that you can wear at your waist You can wear it at your hips. You can wear it wherever you want and not worry about it being too short, too long, whatever it is. And if you do get this a size bigger, it's fun to take the tail and just kind of play around with it and do some fun things with the tail. So nice belt. Don't miss out on this because again, cabbie belts are amazing. They stand the test of time. They do hold up well, and you can't go wrong with a basic brown belt that's not so basic. Amy, what do you have for us?
Okay, well, I am back with my third and final look for this amazing accessory episode. It's so fun to see how just the quick change of styling a piece and adding an accessory really does change the look of what you're wearing. So I came back to my trusty ball cap. I love this one in particular because if I have a ponytail in, I can actually pop my ponytail through, even if it's a casual day and I don't want to get ready. I've kept the swagger earrings on because I love me some silver. And then I put on my casual sling bag and swapped out my yellow shoe for a leopard shoe. But the difference is all I did was open up this amazing getaway top to show my busy tank as a set. So we talk about sets a lot. They work for blouses and tank tops as well as you would do like a sweater set in the fall. And then I added the best belt, our plate belt. It's braided. You can put this over a dress. I could put it on the top of this shirt if I wanted, but this is how I would probably be seen on the daily in my town. Just super, super casual, thrown together, not really fussed about. I'm pretty low key most of the time. And so this would be dressed up for me going around in my day-to-day life, maybe grocery shopping, anything else. So I love that you can take the same piece that was a lot more dressed up at the first and deconstruct it down to something that works for everyone. Now I do want to say these same pieces, they're just incredible basics. So a lot of people don't know how to put things together. You guys throw some things out on your bed, add your accessories to it, mix and match like you would paper dolls. And if you like the accessories on a flat lay, you're probably going to love them on your body as well. So you don't always have to get completely dressed and see how it feels. Play with it a little bit in your room and on your bed or wherever until you get the idea of, okay, that feels like me. And the whole point behind accessories is not to always layer more on. Of course, I love to do that, but it really is about making you feel like you're put together. So that could be less, it could be more. It just really depends on your own personal style. So Rebecca is going to show us one more outfit and then I will be back to take us out for the week.
All right. Well, I wanted to rethink kind of a business casual look. And so I've taken my Trooper Tee again, the Fifth Avenue jeans that are so, so wonderful. And if you didn't already grab them, grab them. They come in two lengths, regular as well as long. And I would recommend you either get both of them so you can wear a pair with flats and a pair with heels, or if you don't need the long length and the normal length is a little bit long for you, I still recommend getting two pairs of the regular length and having one hemmed for flats and the other for the heels that you wear. Because seriously, gals, these jeans are going to just stand the test of time. And really, with anything that you run across that you're like, oh my gosh, this silhouette is fantastic for my body. It's a basic piece. I need to have this. Really, grab two pairs, just get them altered. That little minor alteration makes all the difference in the world, and it's going to make you so very, very happy. So here's my business casual look. Have a cute pair of light blue pumps to go with the gorgeous scholarship blazer, which I believe is in stock now. So grab it while you can. And just a sweet little blue Kate Spade bag that's big enough to put my laptop in or all the rest of the junk that I'm going to have. Now, I wanted to show you the beautiful Dynasty. Gosh, names are just like flying out of my head right now. and not so that they're coming out my mouth, they're just leaving me. All right, Dynasty necklace and earrings. And I kept this one here so that I could bring it close and hopefully it'll focus on it. Focus, focus. Okay, now you can see that this is painted bead. So you've got the white bead with the blue, beautiful blue floral painted on that. Also a gold chain with this, and I kept the mission necklace on because I just love that V shape. So you might need the mission necklace in your repertoire as well. But again, just a sweet, easy little change up of a basic jean and t-shirt, and voila, you have a completely different look. So I challenge you to think of 5 different ways that you can wear this jeans and a t-shirt this week.
That is a challenge that I'm even going to take because you know I am a jeans and a t-shirt girl. Well, ladies, we hope you've enjoyed this edition. If you haven't checked out the accessories and jewelry from Cabby Clothing, it's not too late. If you want to host your own gathering, we still have time. I know I still have some available dates in this month of June, and all of our hostesses do get a piece of jewelry at 50% off for hosting. So gather your girlfriends, give us a call, and let's get you on the calendar ASAP before this season ends. So with that being said, thank you for joining us, and we will see you again next week.